And now your 13 News Now weather forecast, certified most accurate in Hampton Roads.
Temperatures today, as we already talked about, a lot chillier than yesterday, but they're going to go right back the other direction just for one day before they start right back down again. So let's talk about the roller coaster ride. The jet stream really doing some whipsaws across the region. For this evening, continued cold, temperature dropping down at 8 o'clock to about 46, and that's an average. Again, it'll be even colder than that for the inland areas, lower 40s, maybe even near 40 already by about 8 o'clock. Just a very light wind out of the northwest. Could go actually almost calm at times later on. Temperatures right now, look at all these 51s showing up here in our immediate area. A few other 52s, 53s, so really not much of a spread. We've actually had that a lot lately, and as I mentioned earlier, but in case you missed it, we are down double digits right now compared to when I was on yesterday talking about the current temperatures at 4 o'clock or just a few minutes after. For this evening then, let's take you through, let's say 6:15, a couple of hours from now. Look at already down into the lower to mid 40s inland and around upper 40s to 50 at the coast. Here's how I came up with that 44 number for 8 o'clock. Averaged it out between the upper 30s for the rural areas and mid 40s right along the coastline. And then into the morning, cold. Temperature's not super atypical for this time of year. Near freezing for some of the very rural areas. And that includes, and I don't just mean inland. That's why I always say rural areas as well as inland. Southern Chesapeake around freezing, while northern parts, you know, Great Bridge and some of the more populated locations in Chesapeake, probably more like 35 or 36. And then right near the water, as you saw, 39 at Norfolk International. Saturday morning, quickly rising up then into the 50s and 60s by the afternoon, very similar to what we saw yesterday, even a little bit warmer. Notice the rain comes in, though, late Saturday night, sticks around for very early Sunday, and by the time, maybe if you're going to really early service, you'll have to worry about the umbrella. I'm hoping it'll get out of here for most of us, certainly by 11 o'clock. I think that trend will be for drying to move in from the west, and temperatures again back a little bit cooler, knocking off about 10 degrees or so from Saturday's highs. You see a few high thin clouds moving in, nothing really substantial. That's that cold front moving toward us, excuse me, the warm front first, then a cold front. Tonight 39 then, partly cloudy, mid to upper 30s inland, light and variable winds. Tomorrow dim sunshine, not a lot of bright blue, but a lot of filtered sunshine, if you will. Much warmer, temperatures into the upper 60s, and then 56, windy and mild tomorrow night. Winds shifting around from southerly to westerly behind that front. So some showers will arrive late unless you're really out late. I wouldn't worry about taking the umbrella tomorrow evening, certainly. And then Sunday, some showers possible very early in the day. Windy and cool, but still not, again, you know, that abnormal for this time of year. Typically we're 61. Sunday will be about 63. May fall late in the day. You can see that 40% chance of rain very early in the morning, dropping to 10% later. And then Monday, Tuesday, a bit of a whipsaw again from 54 back up to 61.